Olga Carmona is a Spanish professional footballer. She plays as a left back for Liga F club Real Madrid CF and the Spain national team. In 2023, at 23 years of age, Olga played a key role in Spain's victory in the FIFA World Cup, eventually being selected as captain of the Spain squad in both the team's semi-final and the final and scoring decisive goals in each of the two matches. In the semi-final against Sweden on 15 August, Carmona scored the deciding 2-1 goal from a precise long-range shot. Olga Carmona scored the all-important opener for side in the FIFA Women's World Cup final. 5 days later, during the 29th minute of the championship match against England, she scored the only goal as Spain went on to win 1-0 to claim the trophy. Carmona would also be named player of the match in the final. In the summer of 2020, Olga Carmona signed for Real Madrid's newly formed women's football section. Born in Seville, Andalusia, Olga Carmona began her football career at the age of 6 with Sevilla St. In 2007, she moved to the youth team of Sevilla FC where she was to spend 9 years. For the 2016-17 season, Olga Carmona made it into the first team that was playing in the Segunda Division, the second division in Spain at the time. She managed with the team in her first season promotion to the Primera Division, while her club landed in the lower mid-table of the league for the following 3 seasons. Carmona reached the semi-finals of both 2018-19 and 2019-20 domestic cups, in which Sevilla defeated eventual winners Real Sociedad and FC Barcelona. In the semi-final against Sweden on 15 August, Carmona scored the deciding 2-1 goal from a precise long-range shot. 5 days later, during the 29th minute of the championship match against England, she scored the only goal as Spain went on to win 1-0 to claim the trophy. Carmona would also be named player of the match in the final. Carmona delivered a crisp, low, left-footed shot that arrowed into the far corner and beyond Mary Earps, who has enjoyed such an outstanding, reputation-enhancing tournament.